I, Dr. Tofumi Oludayo Ogunbi, popularly known as DTO, am officially declaring my intention to contest for the position of President of the Crawford University Global Alumni Association, CRUGAA, in the upcoming election. This decision is not driven by a desire for titles, but by a deep conviction, much like Nehemiah's call to rebuild the broken walls of Jerusalem, that it is time for us to come together and rebuild the house that built us. Crawford University has been in existence for 20 years, 2 decades of producing leaders, professionals, and change makers. Yet, the truth is clear. The next 20 years must not mirror the last. We cannot afford to remain disconnected, watching from the sidelines while our legacy fades. Now is time to rise above past divisions, to set aside differences, and to unite as one unstoppable force. If we truly want progress for Crawford University as a whole, we must prove it, not just in words, but in action. Our strength is in our unity. Our impact is in our togetherness. The wall will not be rebuilt by individuals working in isolation, but by a determined alumni family building side by side. Let history remember us as a generation that refused to let Crawford lie dim. My roadmap is anchored on a simple but powerful framework with 5 arrows. Reignite. We need to rekindle the passion and connection among we, the alumni. Revive. We need to build new life into our engagement and programs. Rebuild. We need to strengthen our structures and partnership. Restructure. We need to improve our processes for better impact. Reposition. We need to place Crawford alumni on a map as a model community. I believe this vision is bigger than any one person. It will take our collective commitment, wisdom, and unity to bring it to life. My Crawford, your Crawford, our legacy. The next CRUGAA president must not just dream, but build, not just promise, but deliver. Not just talk Crawford, but walk Crawford. This journey is not about title. It is about responsibility, legacy, and service. I, Dr. Tofumi Oludayo, humbly seek your vote, not just to lead, but to serve, and to reignite, restructure, revive, and rebrand the Alumni Association we all desire. Let us prove that charity truly begins at home. Let us build Crawford and then build Africa, because we cannot export what we have not built. Let history record that in our time we rose, we came together, and we rebuilt the house that built us. Let us rise and build just as Nehemiah did in scripture. Nehemiah chapter 2 verse 17 to 18. Let us rise up and build. So they strengthen their hands for this good work. I look forward to your support, counsel, and constructive input as we take this journey together to reposition Crawford University alumni for greater impact. And don't forget, my Crawford, your Crawford, our legacy. Let's come together to rebuild the house that built us. Thank you, and God bless you.